Alright, hit it.
Oh, hey, you know what I want to talk to you about today? Fruits and vegetables. Not really. Why would I talk about fruits and vegetables when I have all this oats cream to eat? That's right, Perry's new oats cream comes in 7 outstanding, incredible, creative flavors, like this oat latte that I'm about to try. I always loved coffee ice cream when I was a kid, probably Perry's brand. Perry's is a New York product. I grew up in upstate New York. They use oat milk from Elmhurst 1925, which is a former dairy farm in Elma, New York, that's now making the most incredible plant-based milks. But oats cream comes in 7 right now incredible flavors, including blueberry pancake, this oat latte, apple strudel, which I can't wait to try, coconut caramel, peanut butter, coffee, cake, snickerdoodle, and peanut butter and cookies. You've got to get these oats creams in your freezer and in your belly. So this is the first time I'm trying this one. I just opened it. I just peeled off the hermetically sealed plastic that keeps my oat latte oats cream nice and fresh. And again, this is the first time I'm trying this flavor. It looks like it has little chocolate chips in it, I'm guessing. It looks delicious. These ice creams are, oh my God, so good. Super creamy, very coffee-like, which I love. As you know, I love black coffee. Wow, that's good. If you like coffee ice cream, try this oat latte from Perry's, their new oats cream line of dairy-free products, rolling out right now in your favorite grocery store. Try all 7 flavors, choose a favorite, buy a lot of that one. Find a second favorite flavor, buy a lot of that one. Just keep buying them. It's so good. This is good stuff. Good job, Perry's. You are catching up with the other ice cream companies, vegan ice cream companies, and you may be surpassing them. I'm doing an official tasting this weekend, which I'll publish the long video next week. So thanks for tuning in. Go vegan, comment, like, and subscribe.